server.
Oh, hey, no. Remember me? I told you to join?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll. Are you in tutorial?
Maybe.
Yep,
Okay,
he
wait,
is.
Black, can you come to... can you guys come into Stump?
Yeah.
Both of y'all?
I'm in the park.
Please? You're what?
Shit.
Go into the room. Where are we going?
Huh? I can't hear you because
What's
you're a
up?
voice changer. Oh, hi. Hi.
Yes.
Okay, guys, just, can you get out of the pot real quick and stand right here? Right here.
Right there.
Okay, I'll be right back. Stay there.
He makes me do a TikTok. I'm done.
I said stay there. I said stay there.
I'm moving. The fuck?
Stay.
Okay, at least you're bleeping it out. That's what I.
I'm out of
I
here.
said stay. I said stay.
I'm not doing anything.
What do you...
There's Fleetway.
How did you...
Sorry. Wait, what about it?
Do you have mods?
He's Fleetway. He's a type of Sonic Sonic.exe.
I'm from the comics. I'm before them.
He's gonna appear somewhere.
People. Oh my god. Find more people.
I know what he's doing. He's leaving. He's joining right here. He's leaving. He joins back, and it takes a little bit of time to go like
He
that.
doesn't get him leaving. Just do it one more time, I dare you.
Okay, let's go. Run. Run.
Moving.
Bye.
Because you keep leaving. You should be going to get more people.
I'm
Who's
just
the
trying to
people?
run. No.
I already know how to do that trick. It's not that cool at all, but the people who, if I'm able to
You have to be
post this,
modded.
Yeah, I'm not proud of
because that's the point of mods. They make you do stuff like that.
Yeah. If you join one more time.
Oh, dang it. Whoa.
Where are you?
I almost fell urgently. Got my eye.
He left.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure he did.
I'm just trying to...
Watch him run back. Boom.
He's trying to fart.
Bro, it's not that cool. It's very old. Not
I
fun.
know, but some guy taught it to me yesterday, and it's just so funny.
It's not funny at all. It's just leaving and go somewhere like this.
I know, but some guy taught it to me.
It's like that. God.
I didn't know.
I'm gonna go to a different lobby.
Alright, bye.
Alright. Oh, wait a minute. That guy's the same thing. Oh God.
You flew.
Yeah. Okay. This is. Oh, whoa! We almost fell. Oh, fuck.
Cosmetics. Cosmetics. What are those cosmetics?
Medic.
Cosmetics! You would Where's cosmetics? Ching Chong being the legend.
What's up, bro?
Mono gri.
Alright, I'll be quiet.
Mono. ¿Quieres ser mi amigo? Por favor, ¿quieres ser mi amigo?
Oh.
Spaghetti. Quiero ser tu amigo.
Wait, where are they? What happened to them?
Okay, yeah.
No!
Sí, no hablo español. Sí, hablo inglés también. Pero quiero español.
Go to a different lobby. These lobbies I'll just
Puedes aprender.
I just hit
algo
somewhere.
español, por favor.
Have my spider bite. Ah, dang it.
Rar.
Rawr, yes. Canty.
You are the game.
I want to know what the cuss is.
Aw. You want some chocolate?
Yeah, I'm new.
Yeah. And my Oculus is on like.
Where's the new guy? I'm here. Who is new? Me.
I want to get in the. I want to get in the
Right,
pot.
you want- right, God. Right, God is new. Are you new? Are you new?
Oh, we almost failed. Whoa.
Wait, party hat, are you new? Can you teach me how to pinch climb? No. Oh, yeah? Whoa.
Yeah.
Yeah, so come over here. You know how to do this? You know how to do that?
You want
that's
fun,
it.
Lucy?
Yeah. Do circles, pushing yourself forward. Do circles, pushing yourself forward. It makes me go down.
Oh, wow.
Push yourself I'm doing it. Nice. Oh, I nearly done it. Do you know how to side jump? Right. What?
I'm just trying to scare me.
Am I doing it? One day I'll do it.
I got the chocolate. Chocolate.
Did I do it?
Yeah, it's in my hand.
Where are you?
Hello. My brother said you've been bullying him. You've been bullying him.
No,
You've been
No,
bullying
I'm
my
not.
brother. You
no, not
bullied
at
my
all.
brother.
No, not at all. I just joined earlier.
Who bullied my brother?
Where did you go?
Who bullied brother?
Go to treehouse.
Did you bully my brother?
Come inside, I'll show you.
Okay.
I've no idea who.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Where's that white ass bitch?
He's cute. So,
Oh,
good.
Americans.
No, he left.
No, it's actually trust the process. I'm gonna vomit myself. Process.
Alright, what is the secret?
fine.
Bro, dude,
Play different.
in out, dude.
You scared me. Why would you got rain?
Breathe. Breathe.
No, don't do that. Hey, Ace, look up.
What?
What
are you doing?
I don't know. I'm stupid. I saw Lucy.
Alright, let's do my first
I saw
attempt.
Lucy.
I'm on this shit like I'm Dennis, the star of this shit.
There you
I'm finished. Who is new at the game? Who is new at the game? Who said me?
Let's actually try to get another second attempt.
Anybody who's new
On
just
the great stone.
someone
Oh my god, that sucked. That also sucked again.
Others who just go to the song. I'm new.
It's like way better at
If you're
all
new, come in.
this type of one.
I'm coming.
Oh, looks like they spawn. Good.
That's Lucy.
This one?
That's not Lucy, that's Uzi.
No.
That's Uzi.
Okay.
But I can
That's
show you.
Isaac Newton.
Anyway,
That is.
join the club.
Let's go to a different code. Who should I play? What should I do? Sounds fun. Should we try to do the glitch? Nah, I'm not gonna try to do the glitch. Okay, okay. And then it's going flaggy. That's the point of the camp routine. Camp routine. Camp. Let's check. Come on, really? Let's go to the bed. Yeah, camp routine. Is that the camp routine? This is the I'm a certified girl tag pro. They added some stuff, I believe. That looks fun. Okay, this boost sucks. You see, I am smart. Like, I don't know if there's a way to get up here, actually. The only thing I know is how to do that. I don't know, I'm like almost a note deep. Whoa! Why is it two? Okay, let's see you underwater. Skirt. Hey, what's up? Skirt. Skirt. Let's see if we can find anything else. That there. Why is there two here? Can someone explain this real quick? Two. What the heck is this? So, one? We're trying what's it? A place for me to fly off of. Okay, let's check under here. Okay, I think all normal. It's all normie stuff. Okay. Yo, bad, go slide. Oh, dang! Here's I did that all first try. Hey, what's up? Oh, I'm a gangsta, baby. Yeah. Okay. That wasn't zoomy at all. That was boozy. Oh, come on, man. That's cringe, bro. So cringe. Well, anyways, sir, go down the vent. I mean, up the vent. I am not the imposter, guys. Trust me. Yes, my perfect playground. Okay, yeah, we gotta be careful this time. Dang it! See, let's see what else there is. Skr, I mean, yeah, everything is skr these days. What's over there? That wasn't like a hole or something? Let's get on top of the map. By using a fast way. The fast way. Because it's a fast way. Not fast way. Okay. Okay, what is there? Why can't I go on top of the side? Yeah, what the? Discover, 0? So, okay. Let's check out the map real quick. So, because I saw something. Huh? I don't know what I saw though. It's like a whole new map. Where is that though? Let's see. Hey! Let me out. Please. Let me out. Please, let me out. Of course, of course. No! Let me out, please. I'm claustrophobic. Please. I'm not actually claustrophobic. Let me out. Please let me out. Let me out. Please. I did nothing wrong. Help! Help me! Please, Michael, let me out! No, I can't die like this. I have to get it. I can't die like this. Please let me out. Let me out, please. 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 Bro. I'm done recording. I am done recording. How do I stop?